आज हम पढ़ेंगे about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is the part of the cell between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Cytoplasm, it is the part of the cell between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Cytoplasm, it is the part of the cell between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane. And the living contents and the content of the cell consist of two living portions. One is called cytoplasm and other one is nucleus. The nucleus and the cytoplasm are collectively known as protoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is the matrix of the cell. It was discovered by the Holliker-Furkanji in 1939. It was discovered by the Holliker-Furkanji in 1939, who named the matrix portion of the cell as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it forms the soluble part of the cytoplasm. The soluble part of the cytoplasm is known as cytosol, which forms the solution between the organelles. And the cell organelles are present in this part of the cytosol. Cytosol form two solution, and one is known as true solution, in which the micromolecule are completely dissolved to form the true solution. And another one is colloidal solution, when the large molecule of the cytoplasm region are mixed in the soluble part of the solution, they will form the colloidal solution. Colloidal solution have two parts. One is called gel and other one is called sol. Gel portion of the cytoplasm is toward the cell membrane. The outer region of the cytoplasm is known as gel, which are jelly-like substances and more viscous. But the inner portion, for example, this one is the cell membrane and this one is the nuclear membrane. This portion is known as cytoplasm. The outer portion is gel, and the inner portion is known as sol. Gel, which are jelly-like. The organelles are not present in the jelly portion, but the organelles are present in the sol portion of the cytoplasm. It contains about 90% of water. In some books, writes 65 to 95%. It contains the water. But in majority, depend on the type of the cell. Some bone cells have heart according to the optic cells. The eye cells are softened. The stomach cells, intestinal cells, liver cells are soft, in which the water content is maximum. According to the other cells, according to the bone cells, osteocytes, osteoblasts, and osteoclast cells. But depend normally, it contains 90% water. The cell organelles are present in the sol portion of the cytoplasm. About many types of cell organelles are present in the sol portion of the cytoplasm. Subunit of the cell is known as organelles. These organelles are of two types. One is called membrane bonded organelles and other one is called non-membrane bonded organelles. Membrane bonded organelles and membrane non-bonded organelles. The membrane bonded organelles are about 12 or 13 types. Just one: mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, peroxisome, glyoxysome, and cytoskeleton and nucleus. These are included in the membrane bonded organelles. And non-membrane bonded organelles: ribosome, centriole, and vacuole. These three organelles are non-membrane bonded organelles, in which the first one is endoplasmic reticulum. In which the first one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum was discovered by Ford in 1945. Discovered by the Ford scientist, biologist in 1945. 1945. The name was given due to the first, which was used at this time by the female known as reticule. जिस तरह आप जानते हैं कि पिछले ज़माने में औरत के पास एक बास्केट होती, उसमें अपने लिए कपड़े वगैरह रखती थी, जिस लाइक आज जो पर्स इस्तेमाल होते हैं. इस तरह एक नेटवर्क रेटिक्यूल था जिसका मीनिंग है नेटवर्क, नेट जाल हम इसको कहते हैं. तो इसका साइज जो है, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम वाज जस्ट लाइक टू द रेटिक्यूल्स. The reticule are not used by the female in this time, so the father gave the name. This organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endo mean inside, reticulum mean reticules, net. So Potter gave the name of endoplasmic reticulum. Structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, they contain channel-like structure, tubule channel-like structure known as cisternae. These cisternae extend from the cell membrane toward the nuclear membrane and form connection between them and helps in the transportation of material between cytoplasm and the nucleus. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum and other one is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are those reticules or reticulum or cisternae of the endoplasmic reticulum to which ribosome are attached. It mostly found near surface of the nuclear membrane. Near surface of the nuclear membrane. यानी न्यूक्लियस की बैरूनी साइड पर जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है, इसको हम कहते हैं रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. इसको हम रफ इसलिए कहते हैं कि राइबोसोम पर मुश्तमिल होते हैं, राइबोसोम पर मुश्तमिल होती है, इसलिए हम कहते हैं रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. एंड the inside, the side of the endoplasmic reticulum toward the plasma membrane is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum don't contain ribosome, or ribosome are not attached to this portion of the endoplasmic reticulum, so known as smooth endoplasmic reticulums. Function of the endoplasmic reticulums. Number first one, it forms connection between the cytoplasm and nucleus. Okay, thanks, sir. Thanks.